my BFF, Tia! Today we're going to be reviewing squishy slime and school accessories. And also fidget spinners. So the first one we're going to review is this fidget spinner I got today. It has my name on it, obviously. Obviously it has my name on it. Like, what the heck? It's a really good fidget spinner. Very good. It's a very good fidget spinner. Pink, and it spins very good. Now, Tia is going to review her slime.
Okay, so the first slime is this red one. And it's pretty sticky.
It's okay sticky ones because this is
And it's not. And it's the first
camera's dropping.
And it's the first slime I have ever made in my life.
Ever. I taught Tia how to make this.
And yeah.
I don't know. Tell them. Do you think Tia should have some dye in or what? So that's Tia's slime.
I think so. We'll do it at the end.
So are you going to make this slime?
And then this is the second slime I made.
You got slime on your hands.
Yeah.
Naughty girl.
On my shirt. Okay. So this is a neon pink
It's not
slime.
it's not neon.
Well, it's
sticky.
light pink.
It's very sticky. This is
And we've also got a wipe whisper.
just in case. That's enough. That's enough. It's going under the table.
Obviously.
Well, obviously, it's going to go under the table. This one's really, really sticky.
Yeah, but it feels super nice and it smells like horrible.
It's not horrible. It smells horrible.
Oh, this is super sticky.
Yeah, let's go to baby wipe. This one's.
Okay, get off me hands, slime. Get off me hands. Can you get off me hands, please? You can wipe it off.
You get off my hands too.
Sure, I'll just wipe the table.
You give me that wipe and you can get a new wipe.
Good idea.
I'm sorry guys, I'm generally mad. Felt a bit lonely, did you? Did you feel a little bit lonely? Wait. I almost fell! Come on, Tia, like, what the heck? What? What's she doing? Are you showing them your foot? Okay, let's... Anyways, we're going to review the squishies now. So
yeah.
The first one we're going to review is this first one I got today. And Tia, we're going to save this one to special one until last. So this is the first one I got today. It's pink and it's white and pink on the back. And it's got a nice keychain. It's white on the sides. So it's not the best at rising, but it's pretty soft.
Yeah. I'm just gonna,
so yeah, that's that squishy. And then the next squishy I got today was this unicorn squishy. It's from Smiggle. There's the licensing. You can't really see it, but it's by Smiggle. Scented like strawberries. Oh my god, there's slime everywhere. Still slime. Oh my god, it's the end of the world. Anyways, so I'm gonna. Oh my god, Tia's playing with that slime anyway. So that's that squishy. Then Tia, do you want to review that other squishy?
Okay.
And not the Pat Pat Zoo one. Both gonna do
Now
that.
I am gonna review this unicorn one, and it's super soft and Snow White, and it has a little one. And it's super cute. Has a little rip there.
But it doesn't matter.
Yeah. And on the back it's super cool. And you can also completely flatten it.
And then it'll take forever to rise. Like, it's a pancake now. It's a pancake.
A pancake.
Right, now we're both going to review this. The
sheep!
The Pat sushi.
The sheep!
The Pat sushi.
The papa sushi, whatever.
So, this is the sheep.
And I got this today.
So, let's squish it. Ear. Then this ear. Then its face. And then its whole body. That kind of found it. Anyways, that's the Pat sushi. I'm so excited because I actually got the Pat sushi.
Okay. Now
We will review the stationery. So we've got the stationery set. So the first thing we've got another few things from Smiggle as well. So first thing I chose from Smiggle was this pencil because I could use it for maths. What are you doing? And then I chose this rubber. It's like a really long one.
Yeah.
Centered too.
It's it.
Yes. And then this rubber centered on the cloud.
This. And then she got this ruler. If you can see those.
And then I got this pencil sharpener.
You can.
Then I got this rubber with this little thing on and then pencil sharpener. Then, do you want to review these pens?
Okay, now she got
Don't take them all out.
lots of pens.
These are from Smiggle.
So there's green, purple, yellow, pink, red,
Blue,
orange,
grey, brown,
dark green, black,
all sorts of
grey.
colours.
Yeah.
And then
All the colours in the world, really. And then,
this is called Lazy Bones.
and then she got this lazy bones
It's rubber.
rubber, and it can come apart. So you can eat all rubbers.
And then
And
the
it's-
nose is gone.
And it's a dog.
Yes.
And then she
then
got all these pencils. Again, all the colours you can think of. That are basic.
And then we're gonna put all these back. And
Where's this one? Hey, come on, ruler. Can that not just go in?
It will fit in.
It will fit in.
So that's all the things we got
Yeah.
today.
All this.
And the squishies. All the squishies. Kind of knocked you guys down then. Okay, so now it's unfortunately time
Okay,
to go. So see you guys next time. And if you want to see Tiara more videos, subscribe and comment down below. Bye.